So now that my room is tidy, except from the random bits on my bed that need to go in the bin probably, and I've done my desk, it is now time to change the pencil case to this one here, the rainbows. I've only done August and September so far because we're obviously still in July, so I don't want to plan too much ahead even though I'm just putting the date. But I'll probably do at the end of July, depending how July goes, is I want to start doing monthly goals for my TikTok shop thing, like on the commission side, because for this month I was going, well, the goal is get £50 commission from all the sales. I don't know if I'm going to make that or not. I'm being completely honest here. It was literally just messaging my friend and saying pick a number between 20 and 100, I think I said, and she said 50. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna earn £50 off my commissions this month. I don't know if I will or not. It is the 14th tomorrow, so we're pretty much nearly halfway through the year. Not for the year, through the month, but we will see. I just wanted to start doing it from this book because I have realised that I am needing to use more space on my other book, even though I've got loads of space for it. But I find if I have a longer page, and I've done it like two-sided, I won't use as much. So this can be like this year and hopefully next year if I've still got pages. But in a good way, if I don't have many pages left, that just means I've sold more in them coming months. Yeah, if you've not checked out my TikTok shop yet, go check out, because like I said in my updated video about taking a break, I'm focusing on that a bit more, and I am still uploading on here. It's just I'm just uploading and filming when I feel comfortable and I want to. They're on sale right now, by the way, at Tesco's, but I will say Tesco's is getting ridiculous, like ridiculous. I need to show you some things I bought from there. I got this, by the way. This is on sale with Club Card. These pens here, don't get it. But all the other pens I got. But it's kind of a rip-off because the display photo is like, so there's empty spaces. So that was empty, that empty. There's some empty spaces, so it's not actually fully full. But let me show you the clothes I got. So I got these trousers. They're a possible choice for Taylor Swift. Haven't got tickets yet, but we're manifesting it. I find out if I get a code tomorrow. So they've got like little buttons, and even if it's not for Taylor Swift, I could wear these to Jimmy Carr, and I could possibly wear these with a nice top with a denim jacket to Niall Horan. Again, if I get tickets. I'll be buying some tickets. Well, I won't be buying the Taylor Swift ones, but I might be buying the Niall Horan ones. I don't know yet. I really want to. yeah, but I know the Niall Horan, the show, is the outfits are gonna be well, it's denim on denim, but I'm sure he'd be alright with just a denim jacket. And yes, I would actually, no, I've actually got this denim jacket. I can't believe I'm just like planning an outfit that I'm not even bought the tickets for yet. Now, Niall doesn't normally wear dark denim, but this is the only denim type of jacket I've got. But how nice is that? And I need to show you the shorts. I feel like these are more Taylor than the pink ones, because I find when I think about Taylor Swift, she wears sparkly stuff, or she wears like really smart, casual, nice things. So these are the shorts, and with a sparkly top or something like that, they'll be so nice. And they have pockets. They are like the dressy shorts, and obviously on nights out as well. So they are the two items I got from Tesco. That is me trying to get my life back on track again. Tidying my room. I think it's more tidier than last time, but every time I say this, I really hope it stays clean. I've got a morning shift on Saturday, and I finish at 1:30. If it doesn't rain, I might do a B&M video. Because the thing is, guys, is that part of the reason why I made that, like, I'm taking a break video, was because work just got too much. Like, it's to the point that, like, yeah, I've fallen over, and that's in my case, but I've fallen over because I'm tired. My body is tired. I know I keep on going on about it, but the past week has been a proper wake-up call of, no, you need to stop taking on so many shifts when they need cover. And even some of the staff have said that to me. You need to calm down. But yeah, I've got bruises on my leg from falling, and they're still sore. I don't know if you can, well, you can definitely see that from there. That's one bruise there, and then the other one there, and they're still quite sore. And my arm has been hurting the past day or so, and then I woke up with, that one isn't as bad, like it kind of blends into my skin. It looks worse on camera than it is in real life. But yeah, I look like I've been through the walls. So I need to take it because I talk about this on my TikTok, and that's why I always try and promote my TikTok, is because I do get a bit more personal on my TikTok these days than I do on YouTube. Just mainly it helps when you get a response and you know people are reaching it. That is the main thing. It's not about the views, but when you want to talk about something that other people might relate to, like burnout, like working in a job with a disability, having cerebral palsy, having all the disabilities I have, I just can spread more awareness to it. And I kind of like this vibe. The mirror at the back, I'm just chilling. But I really need to end this because it's going to be like a 20-minute vlog if I don't, because even the time lapse. But I do want to make more like aesthetically pleasing vlogs, so like time lapses. Just go back to what I used to do. Like, loads of people knew me for my like time lapses, and I wouldn't say aesthetic, but like I was known on YouTube for people who followed me. I was known for my time lapses, and I would think you guys like them. So with vlogs like this, I will start doing more time lapses than probably talking, but I hope that's okay, because I find that's best I find that's the best way I show what I'm doing during the day. I feel like every single vlog lately has just been like a life update. But yeah, I need to stop doing so much. That's what if you take away something from this, if your body's showing that you need to calm down, you need to chill out, and you need to not do so much. Listen to your body. And everybody's body is different, because someone else can do like 47 hours a week, and I do a 37-hour week with a 16-hour shift, and this is what my body's like. But somebody else's body might be able to do that. Mine can't, because of all my disabilities, and you can't change that. You can't change who you are, and that's just life. I don't know how to end this vlog. Hope you had a good week. By the time this is going up, I'll probably edit it tomorrow, and oh my god, I need to get used to that. And upload it on Friday or tomorrow, depending how the Taylor Swift stuff goes.